Let's talk wigs. This time, I'm going to share with you something very positive. If you are financially strapped and have to perhaps buy an inexpensive wig, because today they're all over the place. Very, very reasonable. $25, $30 or whatever. But just be mindful that the quality isn't quite there. I weighed in the beginning. This was one of my very first wigs, and it was very inexpensive. I don't remember where I got it, but I do know it was shipped from China. But it is very cheaply made. And to be honest with you, if I was going to be using this every day, I'm not quite sure if it would even last me 6 months, maybe a month or 2 months if I wore it every day. And I'll explain why. But first, I want to tell you, it's cute. It's a darker color than what I like now, but it's baby boomers. Even though my own natural color hair is dark like this, I've evolved through my wig experience to really like a lighter color. I just feel, for me personally, a lighter color kind of makes my wrinkles not look so bad. But also, to let you know, you can dress it up. Like I have this kind of a hairband on it where I have the part, because in the inexpensive wigs, they're very similar to the way they were made back in the 1970s, where there's no monofilament, there's no lace front, it's just one part. So that's the part. You got to stick with it. You can't change it around. And that may work out fine for your wig. But so that it looks not like a wig, be sure you cover that part one way or the other. And like I have this band on as a perfect example. Let me also show you another way. In fact, do you see here? Do you see this one groove? I mean, that tells everyone that you're out with, she's really got a wig on. That right there is a giveaway. This thing right here is so obvious. But let me show you another cap that you can wear. I push my bangs up just a bit here. You see? You can style it like this. Or, like I'm always into these shawls, but you could do all kinds of things and wrapping it around like here. See? So there's a lot that you can do and have fun with them. I mean, it could be a case where you're traveling and you're maybe an international flight or whatever, and you really want to wear a wig. Be sure you don't wear it before you go through security, though. Wait until you get on the other side, go into the restroom, and you can easily put it on. But put a cap on. This way you have hair, you're comfortable, and it's seamless. And you're not wearing one of your expensive wigs. You're just wearing something that, whatever. It just gives you hair for that day. But I wanted to share with you these pointers on how these wigs are made. Now I'm going to take this off to show you the insides. But first of all, a review again. You see that one part. They do have temple ear tags. And they do have in the very, very back those clips or those straps where you can kind of tighten it. But let me show you how it's constructed. Okay. Do you see the wefting? These are like lace strips. But in this case, I think it's just some kind of a material of then the actual fibers. Synthetic fibers are machine stitched. And many of your wonderful wigs from great manufacturers like wigs.com, wigstudio1.com, most wigs are made this way, or hand tied. A lot of stretchability, but these are really, really big, just really big. And this is supposedly just the average size. But, you know, it kind of looks very similar to the way our wigs, the top quality wigs are made, but it's just not. It's much less of a quality. And I think the telltale sign was when you use your comb and it comes out in clumps. So, but it's fun and you can enjoy it. So there is a place for even wearing or even purchasing these inexpensive wigs. Have a great day.